Good morning and welcome to this tour of my office. So this is my tank out here by the airport. It's a nice quiet morning here in Tennessee. Of course, here's where I park. The back deck also has another door here where you would actually enter the main room. This is the living room, which I don't use for much other than storage, as you can see here. Storing lots of stuff. My computer center will be in this corner. As of yet, I don't have internet, and I'm in the process of cleaning some of this up. There's a breaker box. This is the entrance into the main house. This was a garage, the little sitting room. This is our little kitchen table. Here's the back deck, little kitchen. And here's where I do my training. You can see here I am prepared. I do have a student here today. He'll be coming in at about 8 o'clock, and it's about 7:30 right now. Very much like my old place. Has a table. He's using a small trainer here. And this is usually where I sit. I did manage to get some of my items back from my old office. Sorry if I'm making anybody seasick with moving all of this around. So this is all kind of temporary stuff. It is nice to have a kitchen. So I do make breakfast in here or lunch, as the case may be. This is a 3-bedroom house. This first bedroom I'm actually using for video production. So this is a white, green, or black background with various lighting items around. Storage there in the closet. The bathroom, always nice to have one of those. I actually have 1.5 of those. This will be a bedroom for guests. There's really nothing in here other than the other half bath. And then this final area is storage. So a lot of my stuff got damaged in the tornado, and so a lot of it still needs to be cleaned up. As you can see, lots of broken Fisher Technic stuff here. But I did manage to clean quite a bit of it up, as you can see. So the first thing I did, of course, was buy some shelves so that I had a place to put things. And exiting here, leaving the bedroom area, kitchen area, dining room. Of course, as I said, the living room is really more for storage. I did get some very inexpensive chairs that are not totally neat and clean, and a little library. So I brought this little bookcase from my house. I think it's a pretty good start. My next step next week is to get my cable put in. Of course, very important to keep everything nice and clean. Water heater, etc. Nice parking area. And a helicopter. Overall, I think this is going to be a nice place to have an office. Quite peaceful here in the morning. There is the front of the house. And I hope to have years of good times here, barring any future tornadoes.